How to log out other devices on Instagram. Firstly, launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your particular account. Now tap your profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now tap Account Center at top of the screen under Settings and Activity page. Now, in order to log out other devices on Instagram, select Password and Security under Account Settings. Now, you can either change password or you can go where you are logged in section and log out the devices. So let's tap Change Password and tap on your Instagram. Here you can enter your current password, new password, retype the new password and checkmark logout of other devices and tap Change Password. Once you are done with that, you will successfully log out all the devices on Instagram by changing your password. Other way is simply get back to this section and tap where you are logged in and select your Instagram account. Now here are all the devices where you are logged in. You can select devices to log out and check mark the device and tap the logout button. And once you do that, tap the logout button and you will no longer be logged into that device. So that is how we successfully log out all the devices on Instagram. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.